how to ban somebody from your Discord server. So here in my questions channel on my Discord server, I have a user who doesn't really have a username, just kind of does this thing, who has posted some random emojis in my questions channel, which is strictly for questions that you may be having regarding whatever topics I may be covered in my videos, just technical support questions. So this person came in here, posted a question. Now slow mode is enabled on here, so you have a 10-second interval before you can put in another thing. But I left it open for anybody to put questions in, even those who don't have roles yet, just because I want anybody, if they have a question, to ask it right away. This person unfortunately abused that, and what they did is they didn't even stay within the server. As you can see over here on the right hand side, they just came in, posted that message, and left. So what we're going to go ahead and do is ban them. So what we can do to do that is, first, from their logo or profile pic, go ahead and right click it, and then on the bottom there's a kick and also ban option. I don't want to kick because they already left the server anyway, so there's no point in doing that, but I want to do it all out ban. So I'm just going to click on the ban option, and then the good old swing the hammer on their username, Thor coming down with the admin on the banned user. Okay, and I want to delete message history. You can select this here. I'm going to select for the previous 7 days, and then reason for ban, spamming. And then I'm going to go ahead and select on ban, and you'll notice that the user has now been removed, and their messages within the past 7 days have been removed as well. And that is how you go about banning a user from your Discord server.